In this video, we will use ViewPager2 along with the tab layout. First, I will create a new package and I will name it as Fragments. In this Fragments package, I will create 3 blank fragments. I will name them as Home Fragment, Profile Fragment and Chats Fragment. In activity_main, we will create a ViewPager2 and a tab layout. So, I have these 5 image assets. I will be using Home, Profile and Chats as icons for tabs in tab layout. So, ViewPager2. Height and width will be match parent. ID will be pager. Top to top of parent. Bottom to bottom of parent. Left to left of parent. And right to right of parent. Margin top will be action bar size. Now, we will add a tab layout here. Tab layout. Width will be match parent. Height will be wrap content. We will have this tab layout at the top. So, top to top of parent. Margin top, action bar size. And ID will be tab_layout. I will also change the text color of selected tab. Tab selected text color, red dark. I will also change the color of tab icons. Tab icon tint, blue dark. Now we will add tabs. Tab item. Height and width, wrap content. Text will be home and icon will be IC_action home. One of the 5 image assets I have created. Now, copy this tab and paste it 2 more times. For second tab, text will be profile, icon will be IC_action profile. For third tab, text will be chats, icon will be IC_action chats. Now, we will create references to ViewPager2 and tab layout in main activity. Tab layout tab_layout. ViewPager2, pager. Tab_layout equals find view by ID, art.id.tab_layout. Pager equals find view by ID, art.id.pager. First, we need to create an adapter for our ViewPager. In that adapter, we will define what page will display which fragment. So, public static class, ViewPager fragment adapter. This adapter needs to extend fragment state adapter. For constructor, I will choose fragment activity. After that, we need to implement methods. Here, we have create fragment and get item count. We will set fragments based on page position using switch and case. And we will also pass the tab_layout tabs count to this adapter, and that value will be returned in get item count. So, in size. In constructor as well, the second argument will be in size. This dot size equals size. For fragment activity, we will pass the current application context. Inside get item count, return size. Now in create fragment. Switch. Position. When position is 0, we will load home fragment. Case 0. Return new home fragment. Profile fragment for position 1 and chats fragment for position 2. And the default will be home fragment. So, return new home fragment. Now open fragment_home. Here for text view, text will be home fragment. Height and width will be wrap content. Layout gravity, center. Text size, 16. Text color, black. Text style, bold. ID will be TV_home. We will copy this text view. Also, each fragment will have a unique background color. Now open fragment_profile. Replace the text view. We will not use ID for text views in remaining 2 fragments. Text will be profile fragment. Set a background color to fragment. Now open fragment_chats. Replace the text view. Text will be chats fragment. Set a background color to the fragment. Now, we will create an object for ViewPager fragment adapter. ViewPager fragment adapter. Adapter equals new ViewPager fragment adapter, thus, tab_layout.getTabCount. Pager.setAdapter. Pager.set of screen page limit, 3. This number will set the number of pages that should be retained to either side of the currently visible page. So since the value is 3, 3 pages on either side of the current page will be created and added to the view hierarchy. So, we will look into 2 methods to connect ViewPager2 with a tab layout. In the first method, we will use a TabLayout mediator. A mediator will sync the ViewPager's position with the tabs. So whenever ViewPager is swiped, the respective tab will be selected, and whenever a tab is selected, the ViewPager will go to the respective page. So, new, TabLayout mediator. We need to specify the tab layout and the ViewPager. Tab_layout, pager. And finally, tabs and position. When we are using TabLayout mediator, the tab specified here will not be shown, and instead, we need to specify the tabs inside the mediator. We need to use attach to attach tab layout with the ViewPager. Here, I have left the tabs empty, without specifying text or icon. So, if position equals 0, tab.set text, home. Tab.set icon, IC_action home. Similarly, if position equals 1, tab.set text, I will set chats here. Tab.set icon, IC_action profile. In the activity_main, the text for second tab is profile. If position equals 2, tab.set text, I will set profile here. Tab.set icon, IC_action chats. In the activity_main, the text for second tab is chats. I only did this to show you that the tab specified in the mediator will be shown instead of the tab specified inside the tab layout. I would prefer using the second method, where I will register a page change callback for ViewPager. Next, we need to have a page change callback for our ViewPager. Pager.register on page change callback. I will use on page selected. So whenever we select a new page, that is whenever we swipe a fragment, we need to select that respective tab as well. So, tab_layout.select tab, tab_layout.get_tab at position. Now, whenever a new tab is selected, we will change the icon color. So, tab_layout.add on tab selected listener. Tab.getIcon.set color filter, color.black, autodaf.mode.source top. When a new tab is selected, we will clear color filter of old tab. So in on tab unselected, tab.getIcon.clear color filter. And finally, we will select Home tab and we will display Home fragment in ViewPager. Tab_layout.select tab, tab_layout.get tab at 0. Pager.set current item 0. Here, when we swipe a fragment, the respective tab is selected. But whenever we click on a tab, the respective fragment is not being shown. This is because in on-tab selected listener, we need to update ViewPager inside on-tab selected. Pager.set current item, tab.get position. Now inside Home fragment, we will display a counter from 0 to 100, with a delay of second for each increment. Text view, TV_home. I will use on view created. TV_home equals view.find view by ID, r.id.tv_home. We will handler and runnable. We will set the initial value to 0 and inside on run, we will use an if statement and we will keep incrementing the value until the value reaches 100. After each increment, we will delay the process by 1 second. So, final handler equals new handler. Int I equals 0. Final runnable equals new runnable. Inside on run, we will use an if statement. So, if I less than 101. Then, we will display the I value in text view. TV_home.set text string.value of I. I++. And then, handler.post delayed, this, 1000 milliseconds. And finally, handler.post runnable. So yeah, even after changing fragments, the counter keeps ticking in the Home fragment. But if we increase the number of pages in ViewPager, we need to increase the off-screen page limit value to prevent fragments from refreshing.